What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to The Average Garage. Now in today's episode it's probably going to be a quick one. I'm going to be fitting a firewall kit to the firewall of the Falcon. So I want to say thank you to CarBuilders. Their link will be down in the description. They do all sorts of stuff for this like restoring type scenario. So be sure to check out their website and hit them up. And yeah, anyways, so I've got a firewall kit, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make a template of the firewall for all the studs poking out the firewall, the heater like the heater core outlets, and all the holes for everything else important. So I'm going to make a template with some cardboard or some paper. We're going to figure out exactly what shape it needs to be, where some cuts need to be, and then we can transfer that onto the actual heat shielding itself, and then we can install the heat shielding onto the firewall. It's just a peel and stick type scenario, and it should keep a ton of heat out of the firewall and out of the cab. So yeah, I might even get some more and put some on the brake booster and stuff in the future, but we'll see how we go. Anyways, let's get to cutting out the template and let's go from there. Alright, so it looks rough as guts, but I've got my template here. So now I'm going to transfer that onto this sheet up here, cut this out, and then we can put it on, make sure it all fits properly, and then we can peel the back off it and stick it to the car. All right, so it's hot, it's sticky. This stuff's a prick to cut, but you get that when it's like pretty much like a thin sheet of aluminium, as well as some heat shielding. So if we look down in here, you'll see it's not the neatest of jobs, but it's good enough for my purpose. So yeah, what I'm gonna do is get some alfoil tape or some aluminium tape and just touch up some gaps like in here, and just make the seams a little bit smoother. So obviously it's not the best job in the world. I'm not an expert. It's the first time I've ever done heat shielding like this. So yeah, I've learned a lot already. But I don't know, we'll try and neaten it up a bit. I might do a little bit more just here around where the steering shaft comes out. I'm not gonna bother behind the booster because the booster's gonna be in the way, and I'm gonna heat shield the booster as well. And I've done a little bit up in the trans tunnel there. I might do a bit more in the trans tunnel when it's back up in the air. But for now, I'm gonna grab some aluminium tape and then we'll tape it up, make it look a little bit prettier, and then see how we go. Okay, so as you can see, the heat shielding is mostly done, but I've got some tape on there now just to cover up a bit of the seams. So yeah, I think it's all right. It came up better than I thought it would, but it could be a lot better still. All right guys, well there you have the Firewall installation. So thank you very much to CarBuilders, and yeah, hopefully this thing lasts the test of time. I did have to patch some stuff up with some aluminium foil tape, and I'm still yet to do some more a bit later on when the car's in a better spot. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. In the next video, you will see the hoist getting installed. I did try and film the hoist being disassembled, but it got sort of out of hand really quick. So yeah, you'll miss that part, but you will see the hoist being put up. So thanks again to Tough Lift, and you'll see all about them in the next episode. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you want to support the channel, please hit up the Redbubble site down in the description. Otherwise, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell button. It helps me out a ton. And if you really want to go the extra mile, feel free to hit up the Patreon page. You can pledge as much or as little as you want. So thank you all for watching. Peace out, and we'll see you all in the next episode. See you then.